Hi, let's talk about diabetes.
Excellent. First, can you answer a few questions?
Sure.
Do you have any of these symptoms? Frequent urination, thirst. How about tiredness? Are you losing a lot of weight?
No.
Tell me, when you cut yourself, do you take a long time to heal? Are you overweight? Or do you have blurred vision?
I don't have any of that, no.
Great. That's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You are unlikely to have diabetes, but to be sure, we can do a test, or I can make a hospital or doctor's appointment for you.
That's good to know. For now, tell me more about diabetes.
Off we go then. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2 and GDEM. Type 1 diabetes, used to be called juvenile onset diabetes, is usually diagnosed in children and young adults.
So, if I don't produce enough insulin, I get diabetes?
Basically, yes, you've got it. Your body needs insulin to turn glucose into energy. Here is an image that better explains how insulin unlocks the cells for glucose to enter.
What kind of food makes glucose?
Carbohydrates. All carbohydrate foods are broken down into glucose in the blood. Insulin then helps glucose to enter into the cells and create energy for our daily needs.
What are the other two types of diabetes?
Type 2 diabetes, used to be called non-insulin dependent diabetes or adult onset diabetes. It accounts for at least 90% of all cases of diabetes. It's caused by insulin resistance and relative insulin deficiency, either or both of which may be present at the time diabetes is diagnosed. Type 1 and 2 diabetes are serious conditions.
And the third type?
The third is gestational diabetes, GDM, is a form with high blood glucose levels during pregnancy. It develops in 1 in 25 pregnancies worldwide and is associated with complications to both mother and baby.
What happens if I don't produce insulin?
If you can't produce insulin or use it effectively, it can lead to raised glucose levels in the blood, known as hyperglycemia.
What's the treatment for diabetes?
As well as making lifestyle changes, people with diabetes will need additional treatments such as medication to control their diabetes, blood pressure and blood fats. I can be more specific as to type of treatments available. Would you like me to do that?
How widespread is diabetes globally?
Here are the global figures for diabetes.
What's the cost in treating diabetes?
In 2014, the global cost of diabetes was $612 billion. 1 in every $9 of healthcare spending is on diabetes. Every 7 seconds, one person dies of diabetes. 4.9 million people died from it in 2014.
Well, thank you, Nightingale. It's been an eye-opener. Good to know you are here for me.
When you're down and troubled and you need a helping hand and nothing is going right, close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest nights. Ain't it good to know you've got a friend?